How's it going, everyone? My name is RJ, and if you guys know me, you know that I've been daily driving the iPhone 13 mini ever since last October, and I can without a doubt in my mind say this is the best iPhone I've ever used to date. It's honestly a real shame that Apple is going to be discontinuing the iPhone mini series, and I really do think it's the wrong move. Although sales of the mini series haven't been the greatest, I do feel like with some more time, as more and more users get adapted to the smaller form factor and have a chance to actually try out the mini, it can catch on. But hey, what do I know? I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. In this video, I want to introduce you guys to some MagSafe iPhone 13 mini cases from our channel sponsor, Casetify. Finding a nice, durable case for the iPhone 13 mini isn't easy. I'm really particular when it comes to the cases I use on my iPhone. I do look for a variety of features and factors before deciding upon a case to use on the daily. These Casetify MagSafe Ultra Impact and Impact cases might seem to have all of my bases covered. They are protective, they do provide some good drop protection, there's a covering for the camera, the front lips of the cases are raised, and these cases are MagSafe compatible, meaning you can attach a plethora of MagSafe accessories to the back of your device. But what is it in particular that differentiates Casetify from other case manufacturers? For me, it has to be the sheer customization ability. You can customize your case however you want. You can choose to add pictures of your dog, you can make your own monogram, or you can even write down an inspirational quote, so that the quote is always there on the back of your iPhone to help you get you through your day. The sheer possibilities with Casetify cases is truly endless. So let's take an in-depth look at these cases sent over to me by Casetify. And if you are interested in your own Casetify MagSafe case for your iPhone mini, head on over to casetify.com/rjtech for 15% off your entire purchase, or just click on the link in the description below. So as I mentioned earlier, these are MagSafe compatible Ultra Impact and Impact cases. What is the difference between these two cases, you ask? Well, the only real difference is a technology called Pefect 2.0. Ultra Impact cases are equipped with 4 shock absorbing corners that can provide up to 9.8 feet of drop protection. I did drop my iPhone 13 mini with an Ultra Impact case on from about 10 feet high onto solid concrete, and my iPhone came away unscathed. So the claims made by Casetify regarding drop protection is the honest truth. With an Impact case, you don't get the shock absorbing corners, but Impact cases are also pretty protective. Impact cases provide up to 6.8 feet of drop protection, and they're also slightly thinner and lighter, making it easier to grasp your phone in your hands. I would say if you are a bit of a klutz and you're prone to dropping your phone ever so often, then definitely go with an Ultra Impact case, just so you'll always have a peace of mind when you do drop your iPhone. Ultra Impact cases do take a 3-part approach to drop protection. First is the lifted camera ring to protect the camera lens, followed by Pefect 2.0, which are of course shock absorbing corners that do reduce impact by 95%. This is lab tested. And finally, there are the front raised bezels to protect the screen when dropped frontward. I personally like to go light with my cases on my 13 mini. The iPhone 13 mini is already a small compact phone, and I like to keep it that way without adding too much additional bulk, so a Casetify Impact case is perfect for me. It does still provide me with good overall protection with front raised lips, a raised ring for the camera, and 6.8 feet of drop protection. Casetify cases also feature a pretty cool outer coating called Defensify. This coating is there to eliminate 99% of bacteria off the surface of your phone. This is probably one of the most underrated features of Casetify cases. I do wipe down my phone quite often these days because quite honestly, our phones are bacteria infested petri dishes with more bacteria and germs than a toilet. With Defensify, you eliminate the constant need to wipe down your phone ever so often. Casetify is also huge on reducing their carbon footprint. These Casetify Ultra Impact and Impact cases are made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials, along with 100% recycled packaging. It's definitely refreshing to see a company like Casetify doing everything they need to in order to go green by reducing their overall carbon footprint. I feel like we can all do our part in reducing environmental waste and help build a future that is sustainable for all of us. By purchasing a case that's environmentally friendly, you are doing your part in helping create a better tomorrow. What I love about these Casetify cases is that they are 100% BPA free, 100% non-toxic, and they do work well with wireless charging. These Ultra Impact and Impact cases also finally feature MagSafe compatible tech. So if you do use a lot of MagSafe accessories like I do, Impact cases will serve you just fine. I have tested the strength of MagSafe on these cases using a variety of MagSafe accessories, and the magnetic strength is terrific. You can rest assured if you do attach a MagSafe MagSafe accessory to the back of your device, it is not going anywhere. Casetify also sells these MagSafe wallets, which I love using in combination with these cases. You can customize these wallets to your own preference, and I did already make a full dedicated video on these wallets, so if you do want to find out more, make sure you check out my Casetify MagSafe wallet video linked in the description below. As you guys can see from these cases, Casetify is the king of phone case customization. There are an endless amount of cases to choose from, but if you do want to customize a case to your own individual preference, you can now with a Casetify case for no extra cost. There is an option to select a variety of text, make your own monogram, or even upload your own image to the back of your case. The customization and the options are truly endless with Casetify, which I do believe separates them from other case manufacturers. Plus, if you do want the ultimate protection for your iPhone 13 mini, an Ultra Impact case or an Impact case is your best bet. I mean, it's a much better option than having to pay Apple $500+ to get a screen replacement or even repair the camera lens. A solid protective case remains your best alternative. Casetify Impact and Ultra Impact cases feature lab-tested drop protection, they're eco-friendly, and they do feature bacteria-eliminating coating called Defensify. More importantly, the quality is top-notch and the grip on these cases is fantastic. So if you are interested in purchasing a Casetify case for your iPhone 13 mini, make sure to use the link in the description below in order to qualify for a 15% discount. Let me know down in the comments below which Casetify case is your favorite, and if you do end up purchasing one of these cases, I would love for you guys to tag me in a picture over on Instagram or Twitter at RJTech. I will leave you guys with my iPhone 13 mini review, it's right here. In this video, I talk about my experience with the iPhone 13 mini and why I believe it's the best iPhone ever made to date. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your Casetify MagSafe tech.